Welcome to Phlebotomy Training Institute in Birmingham. This video is for you if you're attending your training on a weekend or a bank holiday. Our training center is located in Lead Academy, Office 4J4K, 4th floor, Cobalt Square, 8385 Hagley Road, Birmingham, B168QG. At the weekends or bank holidays, the main entrance or reception will be closed, so you'll need to follow an alternative route. If you are facing the Cobalt Square building, then turn right and walk straight ahead. You'll notice a University of Birmingham sign. Keep going in that direction. When you reach the corner, turn left and walk on the pavement. Next, please turn left and go straight. You'll now see the building from the back. Walk straight ahead until you spot a door. That's the back entrance to the building. Next to the door, you'll see instructions from the Lead Academy. Please dial the number listed there. Our office administrator will answer your call and assist you in getting into the training room.